Welcome to another fascinating video on traditional industrial uniform, a local workshop. Today we'll take you deep inside a local workshop where old, worn out tires are brought back to life. From start to end, you'll see how expert hands, basic tools, and clever techniques give tires a second life, saving money, reducing waste, and supporting transportation. So I request you please watch the full video and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.
Our journey begins with inspecting old used tyres. Each tyre is checked thoroughly to make sure it's suitable for retreading. No deep cuts or major structural damage. If a tyre passes inspection, it moves to the first step, removing the old tread. This is done using a buffing machine, a high-speed rotating grinder that removes the outer layer of rubber and exposes a fresh surface. This step requires great skill and care to maintain the tyre's shape. Once the tyre is buffed, it goes through cleaning and surface prep. Any leftover debris, dust or small rubber bits are removed with tools and brushes. Now, the tyre is ready for bonding, but first, adhesive or bonding gum is applied. This gum ensures the new tread sticks tightly to the surface during curing. Now comes the most important part, attaching the new tread rubber. In local Pakistani factories, this is usually done manually. The retreading technician carefully wraps a new strip of pre-cured tread rubber around the tyre. The ends are joined precisely, and excess air is pressed out using a roller or a tool. This process requires experience to align the tread perfectly and avoid any bubbles. Next, the tyre is wrapped in an airtight rubber envelope, just like a bag. This prepares the tyre for curing. The envelope tyre is placed inside a chamber, also called an autoclave, where it's heated for several hours. In this high-pressure environment, the bonding gum melts and sticks the new tread securely to the tyre casing. This heat curing process is key to creating a long-lasting, safe, retreaded tyre. Now comes a critical step in the retreading process, applying bonding gum to the buffed tyre surface. This black adhesive layer acts as the glue that will hold the new tread in place. The worker carefully spreads it evenly across the entire contact surface, ensuring there are no gaps or air pockets. The quality of this layer is extremely important. A smooth and full application ensures strong bonding between the old tyre casing and the new rubber tread. Once the bonding gum is applied, the fresh tread is carefully aligned and wrapped around the tyre.
If you watch the full video, please leave the comment and like the video and subscribe the channel. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.